Welcome to 405 Backyard Barbecue. My name's Tim, and we're going to shoot a video today on making what I call a poor man's brisket. This is for whenever you don't want to spend $50, $60 on a piece of meat and you want some good barbecue for slices, barbecue sandwiches, stuff like that. So, hope you enjoy this recipe. So, what we do for the poor man's brisket is we're going to have a chuck roast. I got two of them here. They were fairly cheap. I think I paid $20 for these at Sam's, which is a lot cheaper than a brisket. But we're gonna cook them basically the same way on the pellet smoker today, the Green Mountain Grill. We're gonna do it with hickory pellets today at 265, and we'll bring it up to an internal temp of about 165. Then I'll wrap it in butcher's paper, and we'll bring it on up to, after we wrap it, bring it on up to 200 degrees internal temp. Then we'll pull them off. What we're gonna do today for rub is I'm gonna start it off. The base rub I'm gonna use is Cosmos Q, and it's Texas beef, and we'll put that all over. I don't use a binder on this usually, so I don't trim it up either. I don't trim any of the fat off of these. I just leave them the way they are. It seems to always work out well. So you just put this fairly liberally. It's a pretty big piece of meat, so kind of pat it in a little bit. Gotta get the sides. Bottom. Then after that, I'm going to use this Killer Hogs set while I get the pellet grill up to temperature. Kind of lets that the rub kind of marry with the meat, and we'll get it on there. So here we go. We got the temperature on the Green Mountain Grill up to about 265, 275, right in that range. Then you're gonna put these out in the center here, or that's the way I do it. I just put them out there. Then you're gonna slide the temperature gauge in you want to have it in the biggest part of the meat. So I just kind of put it right there into the middle of the bigger part of the meat, and let the smoker do the work. So we've been on for about 4 hours, 20 minutes, something like that. I've been checking on them periodically, but so you either pull them at 165 internal, or you pull them whenever the color starts to look good. I like the color on these, and they're pretty close. 165 on that one, and yep, 165 on that one. So we're pretty good. What we're going to do is pull these off, and we're going to take them in, wrap them in pink butcher's paper. All right. Okay, so now what we're going to do now is wrap them in pink butcher's paper. So here's how we're going to do that. just take it, set it in the center, fold them over. Just like that, and they'll go back out on the grill. Don't have to be real tight, but tight enough. And then just, we'll set them back on there for about, I'm not sure exactly how long it'll take, maybe an hour or so. When it gets to around 200 degrees on the internal temp, we'll pull them off, let them rest a little bit. Okay, so then you just take them, and we're going to put them back on the grill, not where they were before, and put our temperature probe back in. Yeah, this is a big spot. And we'll come back out here and pull them off when they get to around 200 degrees. And we'll let them rest and cut them up. Alright, it's showing 200 on the probe. Pretty much you just want it to be probe tender, which through the paper it's real easy to go in there. So what I'm going to do is I'm just going to pull these off and get them in the house, and we're going to rest them for about an hour, and then we'll be back to see how it slices up and how it tastes. Here we go. Gotta cut one of these open. Definitely got the fat coming out. Oh yeah, it's real good. The cat's up here. Here, give that a try, Ron.
That's bomb.
All right, well, this is the poor man's brisket. It's just a chuck roast, smoked like a brisket. As you can tell, it comes out real juicy. You can use it for sliced barbecue sandwiches. Like to put it on baked potatoes, stuff like that during the week. So it's a real good buy to do it this way. So if you like this cook, you like this video, hit the subscribe button and ring the bell. You'll get any videos that I do in the future. Thank you.
Action!